Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Tango 21 receiving loud and clear, and that's the top of the hill, 1.5 miles from here.
Yeah, roger that. That's on the handheld only, without the external mic over.
Right, do you want to just switch to the external mic and let's hear the difference?
We can do that down at Scratchy Corner. I think it's more relevant down there.
Roger on that, that's fine.
Roger that. I'll see you next stop.
10-4. Are you receiving, over?
Yeah, you need to give me time to get out of the car.
Yes, well if you're on the handheld now, that's excellent.
Right, well, I'll just move out into the open towards the end, and how are you receiving me now?
Absolutely great.
Roger, that's on the internal aerial, so try the external aerial now.
You mean mic, don't you, not aerial?
Yeah, you know what I meant. It's been a long day.
Yeah, it makes no difference actually at this range.
Fair enough. Right, that's with the external microphone. How's that?
Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah, it's much clearer on that, over.
Yeah, fair enough. Right, I'll move on to the next spot.
10-4. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Yep, Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Okay, roger on that. Move on to Kelby then.
Yep, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie receiving.
Yes, Tango 21. I've had to alter the 12, but I am receiving you, over.
Right, I'm right up to the roadside now, so that's about the best position. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's loud and clear, over.
Roger that, so I'll move on to Rossby then.
Okay, on your way to Rossby it is. Thank you. Calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear. Go ahead.
Right, I've got you okay there. Would you like to change on for the external mic then, please, over?
Roger, just for fairness, I'll go where I usually stand for the other test. Is that any better?
Okay, 10-4.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Yes, Tango 21 receiving loud and clear, just like you're in the mobile.
Roger, well, that sounds fine this end too, so I guess that concludes the test.
Yeah, it does indeed. If you'd like to come back and we'll test that other set, starting at the point at the top of the hill, over.
Roger that, 10.
Okay, thank you.